Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Today I'm going to share one good tip on how to increase your Google search ranking. Okay, when it comes to Google ranking, so there is one way that you can even rank your contents related to, say, like whatever content you have posted on Instagram too, so you can make them rank on Google. Suppose if you have posted any video and it has gone viral on Instagram, but it is not at all showing on Google searches. Okay, suppose if you have created a new video on, say, best AI tools on best AI tool related to maybe graphic designing or digital marketing or anything. Okay, so it has gone viral on Instagram. Now if you want, I am writing something on Google, and I'm searching best, like the same keyword, best AI tool for digital marketing or for say graphic designing. So obviously if you have say made your video go viral on Instagram, it should be there on Google searching too. So there is one way to do it. You can see it, account privacy, right? You need to click there. From there you can see allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. Make sure to turn it on. Once you will turn it on, then whatever contents you are making on Instagram, if it is getting good attention, if it is adding value on Instagram for their users, and if it is being shared by a lot of people are commenting and doing this kind of stuff, and if somebody is searching on Google related to the same keyword, so your video will also get ranked on Google. So I hope this tip will help you. So you can see it right here how to do this. You can see this. Okay, you need to go to account privacy. Your account should be public. This is the main key of this of this trick. Okay, so you need to turn it on. So I just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.